Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now during the mango season, I think we all love to try a lot of recipes with mangoes, and I've made several recipes, but today's recipe is very special and it's a very popular recipe up north. This is Aamras Puri. This is a wonderful combination and it's extremely tasty. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the amras, I've taken 6 Alphonso mangoes, cut them, scoop out the pulp, put it in a bowl and keep it aside. Next, we're going to puree the mango pieces. For this, transfer the mango pieces to a mixer jar. Add about 1/4 cup of sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar according to your taste and according to the sweetness of the mangoes. Remove the cardamom seeds from the pod and pound it to a nice fine powder. Just add, this is about 1/2 teaspoon. To make the saffron milk, take 1/2 cup of warm milk, add a few strands of saffron and leave it aside. The flavors of the saffron will be infused into the milk. So you can see the flavors of the saffron have been infused into the milk. So add the milk, grind everything to a nice fine puree. So the amras is done. Now I'm going to transfer the amras to a nice bowl and refrigerate it. Meanwhile, let's make the puris. Now I've already mixed the dough for the puris. Just divide the dough into equal sized balls. Place the small dough ball and roll it out. Now you don't want to make it too thin or too thick for the puris. Just make sure it's just right. So I'm going to use a cutter to cut out the puris so they have a nice equal shape. You can also make the puris without using the cutter, or if you have a lid and if you'd like some nice round puris, you can use a lid from any box and use it as a cutter. To make the puris, take enough oil to a kadai. Once the oil is nice and hot, keep the flame on medium. Gently drop the rolled out dough into the hot oil. Wow, you can see the puris puffing up immediately. They look absolutely gorgeous. Once it's golden brown color on one side, just flip it to the other side. And remove from the hot oil immediately. So the amras is done, the puris are made. Now it's time to serve the amras with these delicious puris. I'm garnishing the amras with some chopped pistachios and saffron strands. Make sure you serve it immediately with these delicious and hot puris. Wow, there you go. Here are these beautiful golden puris that can be enjoyed with this lovely, delicious, creamy amras. So there you go, here is this delicious and creamy amras with those nice puffed puris. Now this is a very unique combination and personally I loved it, and make sure the mangoes are nice and fresh and sweet. I've used the Alphonso variety, so you can probably use whatever is available for you guys. So do try this recipe and share it with your family and friends.